Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hood lock is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial upgrades for any Jeep Wrangler owner. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of hood locks, exploring why they're essential for protecting your investment. We'll cover everything from preventing theft to safeguarding your engine components, ensuring your Jeep stays secure both on and off the trails. Let's find the perfect hood lock for your Wrangler. Number 5. Bolt 702-6128 Jeep Wrangler JK Hood Lock. Tired of extra keys? This hood lock uses your vehicle's ignition key. It's a convenient solution to secure your hood. This bolt hood lock fits all Jeep Wrangler JK models from 2007 and newer. Installation is simple, making it a great upgrade. The lock rivets into existing holes. This makes the installation process straightforward and doesn't require any modifications. Protect your valuables. This lock secures your underhood items, preventing theft and giving you peace of mind. Say goodbye to hood flutter. This lock provides a secure fit, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. It features a stainless steel lock shutter to keep out dirt and moisture. The plate tumbler sidebar prevents picking and bumping. This product is built to last. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, offering you long-term protection. What we like. This hood lock uses your Jeep's ignition key, eliminating extra keys on your ring. It secures your underhood items from theft and prevents hood flutter. If you are looking for a simple, key-integrated solution for security and convenience, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy to install. The hood lock is a perfect fit. The hood lock is well made and sturdy. Number 4. RT-TCZ Hood Latches Catch Kit for Jeep Wrangler. Are you looking for a way to upgrade your Jeep Wrangler? These hood latches are designed to keep your hood secure, even on the toughest terrains. They are a perfect fit for your vehicle. Made from high-quality materials, this kit is built to last. The stainless steel and aluminum alloy construction ensures it can withstand the elements. It's designed to enhance your off-road experience. The unique design adds a rugged look to your Jeep. Installation is straightforward, with no modifications needed. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Installing this hood latch is a breeze. It's a direct replacement for your old catches. You can quickly and easily upgrade your Jeep. We are confident that you'll love this product. If you're not satisfied, you can return it within 30 days for a full refund. It also comes with a 1-year aftercare service. What we like. This hood latch kit enhances your Jeep's rugged off-road look with its durable stainless steel and aluminum alloy construction. It's designed for easy, no modification installation. If you like a stylish upgrade that also provides security, this is a great choice. What people say. Installation was very simple for people with basic skills. Quality seems good, they definitely give a solid latching to the hood. I like how it locks the hood and thieves can't steal your battery now. Number 3. Hood latches for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. These hood latches are designed to prevent theft and reduce hood flutter. With the locking mechanism, nobody can open it without the key. It greatly improves the security of your Jeep Wrangler. These latches fit 2018 to 2025 Jeep Wrangler JL 2 and 4-door models, including various trims. They also fit the Jeep Gladiator JT, ensure a perfect fit for your specific vehicle. Installation is quick and easy, taking only about 5 minutes. The latches directly replace the original ones without any drilling required. Follow the provided instructions for a smooth installation process. Made from high-quality ABS, these latches are durable and rust-proof. They enhance the rugged off-road styling of your Jeep. They are built to keep your hood secure, even on rough terrain. The package includes a pair of JL hood latches, 2 keys, and all necessary hardware. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return it within 30 days for a full refund. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This hood latch is designed with anti-theft features, preventing unauthorized access to your hood. Installation is quick and easy, with no drilling required. If you are concerned about theft and want a straightforward installation, you should choose this one. What people say. Very easy to install, all parts look and fit just like the OEM latches. Locks feel secure. Took about 5 minutes to install. Feels solid, the lock works, and I wrapped the metal keyhole to match the rest of the car. Took about 5 minutes to install both sides and they are extremely sturdy. They keep the hood very secure whether or not the locks are engaged. Number 2. Hooke Road Wrangler JK Hood Latch and Lock. Tired of worrying about your hood? This kit provides a secure locking mechanism. It prevents unwanted access, giving you peace of mind. Made with robust stainless steel, this latch is built to last. The construction ensures it can withstand various weather conditions and resist wear and tear. The black powder-coated finish adds an extra layer of protection. It not only looks great but also helps to prevent rust and corrosion, extending its lifespan. This kit comes with pre-installed lock cylinders and keys. This feature adds an extra layer of security, protecting your engine from potential theft or tampering. Designed specifically for 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK models. The kit is easy to install, fitting perfectly on the front position, either left or right. What we like. This hood lock features durable metal construction with a weather-resistant black powder-coated finish. It comes with pre-installed lock cylinders and keys for immediate use. If you like a reliable and ready-to-install solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install. Works great. Fit perfectly. Number 1. Hood lock for 2018 to 2022 Jeep Wrangler JLJLU. Are you concerned about the security of your Jeep's engine components? This hood lock provides an effective solution. It upgrades your factory hood latch to prevent theft. This hood lock comes with 2 keys, offering enhanced security. It is designed to deter theft and protect valuable items under the hood of your Jeep. Unlike other products, this hood lock doesn't require grille modification. It retains the original appearance of your Wrangler, making it more aesthetically pleasing. The hood lock is constructed from heavy-duty aluminum alloy. It's built to last, with a CNC engraving process and anodic oxidation treatment for durability. Installation is straightforward, with no drilling required. It uses existing holes, ensuring that it won't damage your original grille. Simply turn the key left to unlock it. This hood lock is specifically designed for Jeep Wrangler JLJLU models from 2018 to 2022. It's a perfect fit, providing both security and a sleek look for your vehicle. What we like. This hood lock allows you to keep your current Jeep grille without modification, maintaining its original appearance. It's made from heavy-duty aluminum alloy and features an easy installation process. If you want to secure your hood without altering the original look of your Jeep, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy to install and seems good quality. Easy to install in about 10 minutes max. If this item is installed correctly, there is no way you get your hands and fingers under the hood to unlatch it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.